In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome apps not installed. If you're trying to install an app in Chrome and it just won't go through, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can do to fix the problem, and in this video, I'll walk you through them clearly so you can follow along without confusion. First, open Chrome on your computer. Before changing any settings, the easiest thing to try is restarting Chrome itself. Close the browser completely, then open it again and try to install the app one more time. Sometimes Chrome just needs a fresh restart to clear a temporary glitch. If that still doesn't work, restart your computer. This helps refresh background processes and can solve issues that are preventing Chrome from working properly. Once your computer starts back up, open Chrome again and try the installation another time. If the app still won't install, the next thing you need to check is your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working properly and is stable. A weak or inconsistent connection can interrupt downloads or stop Chrome from completing the installation process. If your connection seems slow or unstable, wait until it improves and then try again. A stable internet connection is very important here because Chrome needs reliable access to complete app installation successfully. If your internet is fine and the problem continues, you can clear browsing data in Chrome. This can help remove corrupted cached files or temporary data that may be interfering with the installation. To do that, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots to open the menu. From there, click Settings. Once you're in Settings, go to the section for privacy-related options, then click Delete Browsing Data. When the Delete Browsing Data window appears, proceed with deleting the data. This step helps clean up stored browser information that may be causing conflicts. After that is done, give Chrome a moment to finish the process. Once everything is cleared, it's a good idea to close Chrome and open it again before trying to install the app. That way, the browser starts fresh with the updated settings and cleaned data. These steps are simple, but they solve a lot of common Chrome installation issues. Restarting the browser or computer, checking that your internet is stable, and clearing browsing data are often enough to get things working again. Follow these steps carefully, and in most cases, you should be able to fix the problem and install your Chrome app successfully.